Hello everyone, this video is about designing interactive text or interactive text with Elementor. It can be done with Elementor Free or Elementor Pro. The point is here, when you read and the mouse hover over the text, the background color will change, and here when you hover over it, the text color will change. It's quite easy. We can do it background color setting and some simple custom CSS. And now let's get started. Let me copy this text and delete all this text. Okay, and let's start here. From here, let's enter the text here like this. Make it a little larger to increase readability. 18 or 20. Can even go to 20. Sorry, 20. Now line height 1.5. okay, font little darker. Okay, now for changing background color, you can go to the advanced setting, background, and hover. In hover, you can change the background color like this, something like yellow to contrast with the black font color like this. You can do it like this. And for the changing the text color, you have to go to advanced setting, give a CSS ID something like red, and now red, hover, color red, like this. When you hover the mouse over the text, the paragraph, the color will change, font color will change like this. Just a simple line of custom CSS. Okay, here this is the background color change, this is the font change. It depends on your preference, but by simple changing the color when hover, when someone scrolls down like this, the text or the paragraph does not look plain but more interactive and attracting more attention. So it will increase the readability, attention of the visitors. As we all know, we have already talked about in lots of webinars, most people, netizens, do not want to read online. They just glance over the over all the pages as they scroll down. So to increase readability, to attract more attention to your paragraphs, to your text, increasing some sort of such fun interactivity, it is a bonus to your web design, and this is not a difficult process. So I hope this video is helpful to you. If you find this video helpful, please click the thumbs up button, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below. I'm looking forward to your feedbacks. I'm happy to hear from you, any types of feedbacks or comments. And if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe now and please support me. And please don't forget to click the notification bell icon, because I'm uploading, I'm making videos, short videos about WordPress, Elementor, or other page builders every day, at least one video every day. So you'll not get bored. I will try to change new tricks, new tips using Elementor tools, features to get many types of web designs. Thanks for watching again.